Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're changing the windshield wipers for this Nissan Rogue. We're going to do the front and the back. Now check your specific vehicle because the sizes do vary, but this one took a 28 for the driver, an 18 for the passenger, and a 12 for the rear. So we're going to pull up the windshield wiper arm on the driver's side, and if you reach up in here, there's a little tab that you'll push up on, and then you can slide the wiper down and off. So just to show you what that looks like again here off of the vehicle, you'll see the little plastic tab and they break, but you want to push that up and then slide it down, and that's how you'll remove the old windshield wiper. With the new one, this one comes with a little tab here on the front, so you're going to pop that open and forward, so that exposes that. Then you're going to bring it in from behind here, and you're just going to hook it from the top and push forward, and sometimes it takes a little bit more to push it a little bit farther forward to get it to click into place, and then snap the cap down. And on some of these, it has this yellow piece here that's just protecting the windshield wiper blade, so you just slide that in either direction till it comes off. So make sure you're not leaving that behind. Some have them and some don't. So now we're going to go ahead and put that back down and move over to the passenger side. So same process, we're just going to lift this up, push that tab upward, and then slide the wiper arm down, and then the blade can come right off. Now on this one, you'll see there's a little cap on the front of this that will also pop open. That gives us the ability to put this in and hook it and just push forward until it clicks. Once it feels like it's on there good, then just clip that cap back down on the top. Now moving to the back, this part feels a little awkward. It feels like you're going to break it, but you're just going to twist it to the left until it pops off, and it will unhook. On the new one, you're going to take it off here by unplugging this, and you'll notice it comes with different attachments. So you find the attachment that best matches, and usually it's just the thickness. And so again, you would take the cap off like this, replace it with the new one. So find the one that matches the best, set it down in there and click it in, and those look pretty close there, so we'll go ahead and use those ones. And you're just going to lift that wiper arm back up, and then from the bottom you're just going to slide it at like a 45-degree angle pretty much to get that to go in. And that's it. That's all it takes for the rear one. So once you pop it into place, just make sure everything is solid. It had a little bit of play in it, and you should be set. So thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos similar to this, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys.